Now, this is my own voice. It won't be too long like the one I used to sing. The two voices you had above are voices of people like you who bought who attended my training, like you did, who joined the group like you did. Maybe you didn't attend the training. I don't know, but they did without soliciting for for feedback or something. I woke up this morning to see their messages. One person sending, I think two other persons saying, "That's more of this thing you can get." They sent me feedback. The other person who told me she woke up from sleep with that one is not here, with a chest pain. She just used part of the garlic solution and part of the garlic solution, and she used it, and the chest pain just went. Some of you that are complaining chest pain, chest pain, chest pain, it's still problem of IBP, and don't let it destroy your health. So some of these things, this is what they are experiencing. I didn't force them to do this, although they sent me screenshots. I will still share the screenshot later. Yeah, I believe some people don't believe in screenshots, but you can hear their voice. Yes. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Huh? Try and see the end of high blood pressure. It's possible. The benefit of getting this book is that it saves you money. You don't have to spend expensive money. Let me tell you, I sell HBP supplements. I know they're expensive. Some people cannot afford it. I'm getting 40,000, 50,000. But we have our own local remedies you can make. These are, you are not going to listen to me. Some people say, "Where will I get?" You are not going to forest to get leaves or root. Or some of them are already in your kitchens. Are you getting it? So some of them people are afraid. How do I know which proportion? Everything you need are stated in that book. There's no need to be fair. And these are things. When you say, "Hey, what about my, can it affect my seed organ also?" For God's sake, ginger is one of the things we already use in the kitchen as a seasoning. Eh? People already drink soap. People already drink oranges. People already, people already do use some of those things. Just what my book is doing is extensive research, how to combine the blessing of nature for your use to lower the blood pressure. And please listen to me. By the time you get my book, you are using it. Your BP, once it comes down, you just need to monitor it. If you want to spike again, you use your remedies and use something. When it's permanent, it's permanent. Look at how much money you will save. I'm not saying BP, they tell you in hospital that it doesn't go, you have to manage it. Now, look at it now and the next 10 years. Because we are like, how much are you going to spend to manage BP? Even if you are buying all those cheap drugs, how much? So what about the natural something you just take? It will not affect you. Even if you live in Lekki now, Asokoro, you are Tush, you are Butter, you're going to do yourself a lot of favor uh, by using natural remedies. And don't waste your time looking for remedies somewhere. It's already in my book. If you don't have money, I sympathize with you. But truly, you need money to get this. I know the country can be hard and all those things. I know I'm sympathetic with you. However, the people that I find funny and who, you know, you have the money in the bank account and you are giving one excuses and can I make a remedy? Just buy it and find out if you can make remedies. There's something that beneficial to me. I buy it out of curiosity. I want to find out what is it. For example, in terms of learning, when I see that somebody is doing well in a field and he has a course or I pay. Why? I want to tap from his experience and add to my own so that I can surpass it. Even when I think I don't need the course, need whatever he's selling, I buy it so that I can know what is up to. Yes, and add it to what I'm doing so that I can do better. And that will be useful. So I encourage you to you listen to them. And maybe you got this the other two voice notes are very important. Listen to them again. look at their own voice, look at what they said, the result they got within short time. So please, if you know you don't have the money, send me a private message and get your own copy of the book. I say it again. If after 30 days of buying my book, within the 30 days, and you find out the book is just a bullshit, it's just a waste of money, it's useless, just tell me, request for refund, I will send back your money. Yes, I do say it. It's not that money you want to pay for this wood that we used to buy a house in Banana Island or in Ikoyi or in Asokoro or somewhere. No, the money is good, it's big. Don't forget it. Don't misquote me. Your money is valuable. The amount you are paying is valuable. It's good. It's a lot of money to you. To me also, it's a lot of money. Money is money, but taking that money from you is not going to buy me a house in Banana Island. But I want to solve your problem. You have a money, or you can raise money. You have money in your account. You have money you can get from somewhere. You also have challenges. I won't call it problem. High blood pressure, and it's very dangerous. I have a solution that can help you. Now, some people think, oh, why will I buy book? Please let me tell you something. Like I said, I'm shutting down this thing as a book. I will not sell it as a book again. I'm selling it as a coaching program. Yes, lesson I've learned selling in this note, I realized that the coaching program will be better for me. Yes, coaching program will be better for me. I'm going to be doing that. So you are not going to, the book will not even available. People underrate book too much. People say, why would I spend that kind of money to buy book? I'm not selling book to you. I'm selling a report of my researches, where I spent over 250,000 traveling. In fact, there was a person that gave me the second section of the remedies, where you have how to make powder and all those things. The person said, no, if you want it, you pay. I paid the person to give me the remedies. The person was not joking. I traveled. So it's not a book, it's a report. I don't know why I even call it a book. It's a report on my research. That's what I'm giving. And it's a straightforward, it's not an academic book. If you don't like reading, you can go straight to where you have the remedies. But there's still more to learn. It's 61 pages book, 61 pages. It worth more than 100,000. Now go and tell a woman who has spent 250,000 the last 5 years managing high blood pressure, and come and tell him this book is expensive. He's going to tell you, I will slap you, because you know what he has spent. Yes, so don't be stingy to your soul, your heart. Let me tell you something. Money you spend on yourself, that money that belongs to you. There are two types of money that belong to you. The money you spend on yourself and the money you spend on your charity. These are the ones that belong to you. The one you leave in bank account, if you are living for other houses you have are for others. By the time, yes. So go ahead and get it. Send me a message now. Come and get your own copy of the book today. I'll be willing to support you the next few days to make sure your high blood pressure and hypertension. But please, if you are coming to send me a message, don't come with falling things and say, I don't have money. You can't get this book free. I see people who come with that, I don't have money, please help me. Give me free. I see them, they are not taking their head serious. Now, how's the person? The drug you are using for HBP right now, did you get it free? So why are you deceiving yourself? You think you are deceiving me? So come on, no focus. But you feel like, I cannot buy a book, lie. No problem, it's not by force. Somebody asked me, is it by force? It's not by force. Don't buy it by force. Buy it because you need it and you want it and you want a solution. So send me a message. I've always been willing to help serious people to get out of hypertension. And also, I like action taker. People will take action and get results. I want to listen to your own testimony too in the next few days, next few weeks. Please come and talk to me. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you.